What's up, everybody? I'm so excited here at the church. And we're believing God, and we believe God that by May, the first weekend of May, our church anniversary, that we will be in our sanctuary. And God has really been opening up some doors for us. One of our main issues was getting somebody to secure the ceiling work after some major roof damage that we ended up getting a new roof on. But the Lord has blessed us and sent us, amen, a blessing, and we thank God for it. Let's see if I can turn this camera around. I don't know why it's not turning around. So as you can see, I actually have guys up there, and they are getting started today. It's going to look totally different. This is a major breakthrough for our church. It looks bad now, but I'm going to show you the after effects. We get this done. We are so close to really getting back in our sanctuary because the Lord has blessed us with some growth that we need to get back in there. And so they showed up. We have not gotten this far, but the Lord blessed them to show up at a very reasonable cost. Look at that. This is a sight for wonderful eyes to see this happening. Oh my God. I don't know how long I've been praying for this moment. We dealt with so many contractors after contractors. How we doing?